Alright, hello scrappers. Today I'm scrapping this. This is an electric toothbrush. Homedics. Let's turn this right to ounces right away. Got 3.5 ounces pre-scrap weight. It's oh, that just came apart. That's neat. It took regular AA batteries. I have a bucket for batteries in the other garage. These are going to go in that bucket, and eventually I'll sort through all the batteries and put the lipos and the nickel cads, and I'll separate them all, and eventually I'll bring them someplace and cash them in or recycle them. Definitely don't let your batteries end up in the trash, because they pollute big time. Ah, and it's only 10. I was kind of hoping those would have been brass. Not seeing much in there. Those might be brass. I don't want to touch the business end of this. Not without gloves on anyways. Can't take it apart, break it apart. That's neat. A little tiny copper bearing motor. There's brass. Look at that. Little brass rod. Quite heavy brass. I bet these battery contacts are brass. That sounded like brass. Brass makes a jingly noise. So some more brass. And looks like a copper bearing motor. We got screws, but you know how I take screws out. And a little copper bearing motor. Now, more than likely, this motor's still good. If you want to save it for little projects or whatnot. The terminals are still good, but I'm going to call it copper bearing. So I'm see if I can pull these little tiny contacts out of it. No, they're just going to break. Oh, got some copper bearing. So altogether, that's a 1/2 ounce of scrap. So nothing's really going to register. So I got a little copper bearing motor, a copper bearing bucket, got a little bit of tin bucket, and some nice yummy brass for the brass bucket. So that wasn't too bad. A few minutes worth of work, make a little extra change. So just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.